Hey guys, Six Boy, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add your HitLeap viewer into your Linux or Ubuntu VPS server or virtual private server. So here is hitleap.com. If you go here, I've already logged in, so I'll just log out. Basically, it's a traffic exchange service. I do use it for some purpose, but not for YouTube. Um, so yeah, for websites and other stuff. Basically, it's a traffic exchange. All you do is you watch people's website, and you'll get minutes, and all the minutes will be the minutes that people watch on your website. So I have a few websites. So websites, Faucet Back, GoBackpedia, and a shortest short link. So I'm using a regular, and you can pay for a premium and all stuff. So for example, you can go to traffic exchange and you can increase ratio, that's premium. But I'm just gonna stop talking about rubbish stuff. So first you need a VPS server. So I just go to Amazon, AWS. They give you 1 free year trial, but then you have to, after a year, you have to pay, and it's quite expensive, to be honest. So I'll just log into my console and all those stuff, blah blah blah. Yep. So yeah, I'll just go to easy2 running instance, and then here is my VPS. So this VPS is for HitLeap, for this video's purpose. So after you got this, you will have to connect it to the PuTTY server via PuTTY. So I'll just go to my PuTTY right now. Here is my PuTTY, and I'll just refresh this really quickly. Okay, let me just start the whole thing again. Blah blah blah. Anyways, so right here, this is your address. So username at your IP address for the VPS, and then port is 22. So before you connect, you have to go to SSH and then auth. So auth, you have to browse, and now just browse HitLeap PPK. I'll make another video on showing how to change the Amazon private key to PuTTY private key. So just click open, and here, so for example, yeah, so all the stuff. So I've got it installed already, but I'll just do the whole thing again. So before you do anything, you're not on root right now, so you have to write sudo apt-get update. So do the updates and other stuff. It shouldn't take that long. So while we're waiting, I'll be posting all the commands on a notepad, so you guys can copy and paste it. So after you get the update, you have to type sudo apt-get install wine, or wine 1.7, or just wine. So yeah, installing and all those stuff. So now it is installed. So now you got the wine. Wine is basically a kind of a sandboxy thing. So it allows you to run Windows stuff on Linux. So afterwards, you have to type this really long code. So I'll just put it here. So it's sudo apt get install nano xorg lxde dash core tight vnc server. So then press enter. It will download all the stuff. So I've got xorg already installed, core as well. So yeah, it shouldn't take that long. Around 5 minutes maybe if you have a good connection. And they'll ask you, do you want to continue, and you just press Y. And then afterwards you got this. Go to sudo, just type sudo nano and squiggly line dash dot vnc dash x startup. So you get this. You need this basically. I'll copy this and paste it on a notepad as well, in the same notepad, and you can copy it and paste it. So afterwards you just, for example, yeah, blah 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 blah. So I'll just, yeah, here. For here, this thing is control. So I'll just write control exit, and they'll ask you to save yes or no. Just press Y, and then press enter. So here it is. You've changed the file. So now I've got VPS run VNC server. Apologies, VNC server running already. So you have to type VNC server for the first time, and instead of getting this, you'll be asked for a password, a connection password. Just type it and confirm again, and there you go. But before you do that, after you've done that, reboot your VPS, yep. So type sudo reboot. So I'm not going to press enter, but reboot, reconnect it, and you can start the next step. So after you've created your VNC server login details or password, log back in after rebooting and type VNC server :1. So instead of getting this, you will get starting application specified in blah blah blah, log file blah blah blah. So for :1, because all the VNC servers starts with port 5900. So if you type :0, your port will be 5900. But for my purpose, I'll be choosing 1. So if you press that :1, that means your port will be 5901. So remember this port, and start it by typing VNC server :1, VNC server. For example, I'll just use VNC server :2. And if you want to kill a server, type -kill space and then :2, or the number you want to kill. So just kill my VNC server number 2, and you've done. You've started the VNC server. So I'll just close my VNC, and I'll just start. You need type VNC as well. You need type VNC. So link will be in the description for download type VNC, and you need type VNC viewer. So here, that's my VNC and other stuff. I'll just go to new VNC connection. I'll just fit the screen here. So your IP address the same, and then blah blah blah. Oh, I'll have to reboot my VPS. So here you can see it's my 54.154.129.45. That is my IP address, and the you have to type double colon, as you can see, because enter IP name and enter name and IP address to specify port number, append it after 2 colons. If you type 1 colon, it won't work. So let's connect to my server really quickly, all the authentication and other stuff. So yep, I'll just start my VNC server :1. Yep, and now I'll just refresh this. So here it is, 5901, and your IP :5901, connect, and you should see this. You should see VNC authentication. Type in your password. I'm just gonna hide mine, and you should see this. You should see this. So here's my HitLeap viewer and all stuff. Before that, you need to go back to your PuTTY connection and type the following command: cd D desktop, and then type wget -big O hitleap.msi http://hitleap.com/viewer/latest. So type that in, and it will download the HitLeap viewer installation for you, and afterwards go to system, go to your VNC, and then go to here, and then system xterm, and then type this: cd desktop. So you'll see desktop and then a $sign, and type wine start hitleap.msi. So blah blah blah. This will show the installation file and all stuff. I got it already, so I'm gonna cancel it, but press repair and other stuff. Yes, cancel it, and you should see these. Click on HitLeap viewer, and then I've installed it already. I've logged in already, so as you can see, my computer is running 916 minutes already. I'll just click start, and loading traffic exchange, please wait. So basically, you're just running Windows applications on your Ubuntu server. So that's really how to start a HitLeap server VPS running. Hopefully to maximize your website monetization and other stuff. So that's really it for the tutorial today. Hope you guys enjoyed or learnt how to do it at last, feel free to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just message me on YouTube or leave a comment below. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.